Hey, bro, I have a question for you.
Yeah, bro.
Why you are so confident? You look so confident right now. I see that.
Thank you, brother. Why? Just live my life. So I'm Russian. We are confident. It's
Oh
okay.
wow,
Yeah.
that's great. And you with him because he's so confident?
Yeah, sure.
Yeah. And if I tell you this is my car, so
This
you
is your
come with
cars?
me? Yeah. You come with me if you want. Yeah.
No, yeah.
All right, let's do that. Yeah. Okay, come here.
Okay.
All right. So car is better from confident. Oh, oh my God, bro, what are you doing? What are you doing, bro?
Hey, give me kiss.
Oh,
Give me
oh
kiss.
my God.